Hello, my friends. Welcome to another unboxing product review. We're checking out the Yachee laser hair remover here. Let's open this little guy up, shall we? Okay, so hair removal's been kind of big lately on I actually did a review a while ago on crystal hair laser or crystal hair remover, and that one worked pretty good. So we're gonna be checking this one out. Let's see if we can get it out of the box here. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, it's good suction right there. And there we have it. Okay, on top we have the owner's manual. And in here we have the laser gun. And it almost looks like a laser gun here. It is pretty futuristic. Okay, has a power button and plus and minus power level. This is not chargeable, so it will need to be plugged in the entire time. So we'll do that. And actually comes with a razor as well. There's a razor in there and some little glasses. So apparently this puts out a pretty bright laser light. So it has the glasses. These are foldable. Boom. Can't really wear them with my helmet on. Okay, so I'm gonna go try this out, my friends. Let's go to the bathroom here. I mean, just follow me over there. Well, my friends, here we go. So this laser treatment works over a period of time, over a few months. And what it does is it sends light down into your hair follicles and heats it up, and then it causes them to not function correctly. So I feel like I'm killing my little hairs there. Anyways, this is all for science. So here we go. Let's see if we can't take this cap off this razor. Give me some trouble. Okay, so I don't need any hair on my calf right here, do I? Guess not. So we're just going to make a little spot here. No, not my hair. That's right. Okay. And also, this takes multiple treatments. Has different levels on there. And so this video is going to probably be a little while. Okay, what you want to do is turn it on. Hold it on. And it comes on. It's got all fans blowing some air. Make sure you put on your goggles because it emits a very bright laser light, so you don't want to damage your eyes or anything. So I got my goggles on, and then it says to be careful. It says you have your little levels here as far as how it's going. So it goes up to 5, 4, 3. So start out on 1, it says. And then there's various treatments you do once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week. You don't want to do it in the same spot over and over. It does have a safety on there, so you can't, it won't allow the light to, it won't shoot a laser if you pull the trigger unless it's actually on your skin. So here we go. It says just do a 1 little spot and then you move. Don't do 2 spots at the same time. So I'm actually a little scared to try this out here, but okay. Okay, I didn't feel anything. So that starts flashing when it's ready to go. It has sensors on there when it's on your skin. So you hold this at a 90-degree angle and fire off a shot there. And there we go. That's all it recommends. It says don't do 2 spots. It's kind of tingling a little bit. Doesn't really hurt or anything. You hit power and it has a little countdown to turn off. I guess the fan still needs to cool it down. Okay, so that was it. I have really sensitive skin, so like if I shave, my skin will get all red and stuff. So I'm interested to see how this is going to turn out. Don't have any lotions or anything, and make sure your skin is free and clean and dry and all that before you use a laser. And yeah, so this is, we're going to have to test it over a period of time, and I guess for experience sake, I might just have a bald patch on my calf, which, you know, I'm good with that, you know. So my friends, we'll be testing this out over the next few weeks or so and see if this is really okay. So as far as different kinds of skin you want to use it on, it says not for darker skin. It could like give you discoloration and stuff in the melanin. For suitable for these different colors of skin here. So it has the 5 levels, the flash count also. And here it was talking about the 3 times a week, the hair follicle begins to shrink and hair gradually becomes softer and thinner. 2 times a week, hair growth has slowed down and the hair has decreased significantly. Okay, so this is week. It has the steps to the weeks to get you to do this. So week 1 to 4. So this is a commitment here, guys, and over time, it's going to, you know, do its job. I think this is. I mean, I think laser treatment's been around for a while. People have been doing it. Usually in like, you know, Hollywood types and stuff like that, I guess. But yeah, you just have treatments in spas and things like that. But this is a treatment over time. So instead of going to a spa like however many, what, 1 to 4, 3 times a week, and then you got 2 times a week. So you basically have to do like a bunch of different treatments. So this is really not very practical if you're going to a spa, but as far as just having a device at home where you can do it, pretty cool if it works. So we are in limbo right now, but we're going to keep an eye on this, and over time, guys, we'll see how this. Well, friends, that is how it is working. Seems to be. Time will tell, and then I will just upload another video. I just want to get this one out here, kind of as a tutorial of how to use it. And then I'm going to be doing this, I guess, over the period of a few months, a month or so, and we'll see how the hair growth is actually being, what's the word for it? Stopped, I guess. So. Well, that's going to wrap this one up, my friends, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.